Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I want to show you guys the Teba Cookstoves in the various colors that they come in. So I am actually in Teba Turkey today at the factory in Teba, and I want to show you the different models. You can see all the various Teba stoves around me. This color here is going to be the cream color, and I've had a lot of requests and demand for cream, but people want to see what it looks like, so I want to show you that. This is just going to be the standard black. Now black is not an enamel finish at all. It's literally just a flat painted black. Whereas this cream color is going to have a nice glossy kind of finish to it. So if you were to spill something along the side, then it would be easy to clean up. Now keep in mind the side-by-side models and the TKS 19 models are available in the colors, but the TKS 15 is not. And actually on the TKS 19 model is not available in color in the base model, but the hydro models are available in these colors. And the reason for that is these lighter cream colors, they really tend to discolor. Sometimes they'll turn like a pinky kind of color from extreme heat output. So any stove that's gonna get excessively hot, especially these models that can burn coal that are producing a lot of BTUs, black is just gonna be better. Now hydro models are gonna be a little bit different because you have that water factor, which is gonna give that thermal insulation to cool down the outer panels of the stove. Now you can see behind me as well, they also have a red color that the stove can be ordered in. I would actually tend to call this more burgundy, I would say, than red, because it's not really that bright fire engine. It's kind of a little bit darker color. So they are also available in an all white color, which you can see right here on this model. So we have all white, we have cream, we have the burgundy color, we have a flat black, and then I believe that these stoves might be able to be ordered in a gray color as well. The gray, though, I believe is a flat painted, just like the black, not an enamel finish. So the only enamel kind of glossy colors are going to be the cream or the burgundy. So I really hope that you guys found these overviews helpful on what's available for the Teba line. Keep in mind, it's 2022 right now. None of the Teba stoves are UL listed. So if you have homeowner's insurance, you're having a building inspection or wet inspection in Canada that could potentially cause a problem for you, you definitely want to check with that insurance company or inspector before making any purchase. So if you guys have any other questions, drop them in the comments. I do read your guys' comments. You can also give us a call at the office. We are always available to help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you like these videos, give them a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.